Hi guys, I'm so happy to see you. I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour of the STEM website I've created. So you have access to all the information that we're doing in class, lessons, and just tons of resources. So as you see, this is what it looks like when you get onto the STEM classroom website. It gives you tons of information and everything on here is interactive. So if I want to learn more about the teacher, you can click right here. And this takes you to tons of information about myself as well as what the STEM lab looks like, in case you forget. If you're in kindergarten through second grade and you're looking for activities to do from home, there is a great choice board here, and it gives you great directions on how to view it better. So everything with this is interactive, so you can easily just click on it once it loads. Come on. Okay, we'll come back to that, but everything's interactive. So if I want to click here and do this Flipgrid activity, it's going to take me to slide 6 with tons of tutorials, tons of examples for you to use. There's more beyond that. If you're looking for your classroom grade level grid, this will take you to your Flipgrid. If you are a virtual learner, here is all our activities for virtual learners that goes with this interactive choice board here. If you're looking for coding ideas, you can click on any of these and it'll take you to this fun Google Slides where everything is interactive. If I click on these, it's going to take me to a link and it's going to take me to code.org. Here is your grade level course. Here are some great at-home STEM ideas through Wakelet. This is probably one of my favorites, and it's an interactive Lego building. So you can collaborate and work with your friends to build with Legos. So if you don't have Legos at home, that's perfectly fine. I took care of that problem for you, and this is from Miss Tech Queen. It is fabulous. So you can move these Lego pieces around and build whatever it tells you to build. I can make it look like they're connected. So there, I have a perfectly connected Legos, super fun activity, and there's tons of those throughout this. If I go back to here, I have tons of typing resources for you to use. Click on the link, click on it, click on the link, and it's going to take you to that activity. So you can continue your keyboard and practicing skills and remember your home row keys. So all of these are interactive again. If you are looking for some previous Flipgrid videos that I've created with my robots, I have those here for you guys to access. And let's look at 3 through 5. Once again, I have the choice board, and this template was provided by Christine Dixon. It's fabulous. So we have that, and it gives great directions here. So either one of these will take you to your choice board. Then I have your Flipgrid grids again. Here is your 3rd through 5th grade Google Classroom. So if you're trying to get to that, more hour of code options. I have a scavenger hunt exploring Google Docs. And then this is all similar. There's a Lego math board challenge. And more videos. If you need to know my schedule, I have my schedule on here if you're trying to find me. If you also need the Google Meet link, that's on the first page. So hopefully this is just a lot of great information that you can use while you're at home. And we'll definitely miss seeing you in the STEM lab. Also, I should add that under Meet the Teacher, I believe there is my contact information. My computer's going to let me scroll. Come on. So if you need to contact me anytime you are at home, right here is my email. So feel free to reach out anytime you're struggling.